Out of the box, updated. We recently made some changes to the way we package our BlackTips, so here's what you need to know about it. All our BlackTip scooters now ship in 2 parcels, separated into one box for the tail unit with tow cord, and another box for the body tube, nose cap, and scooter straps. This allows us to package, store, and ship all our various BlackTip products much more efficiently and with less overall packing materials. We also include a copy of the complete BlackTip user manual in the box, as well as a few instructional startup stickers stuck to the body tube. Obviously, this means your scooter no longer ships pre-assembled, so here's how to build your new scooter for the first time. You can also find these instructions illustrated on the stickers attached to the tube, but this video is just so much cooler, right? Let's get into it. Start by connecting the 3 colored wires between the tail unit and the body tube. Make sure to always match the red wire with red, the black wire with black, and the blue wire to blue. Now we'll connect the body tube to the tail unit. This is slightly easier if done with the scooter nose removed. Before connecting the seals, align the tube's battery ports 90 degrees to the left of the scooter handle. This offsets the battery weight to one side and will help counteract any scooter rotation that may result from the spinning prop. Now press firmly on the top of the tube to seal it to the tail. Next, let's attach the scooter straps. You'll need both strap links, the free end and the buckle end, as well as the 2 metal pins. These are both found in the tube kit box. Start by sliding one of the pins into the loop at the end of one of the straps. Then push the pin into one of the 2 small slots under the lip of the tail unit. It doesn't need to be tight right now, since the strap will secure itself once we clamp it down for the first time. Now repeat this same process for the second strap and attach it to the opposite side of the scooter. Note that for both the BlackTip Tech and BlackTip Exploration models, your scooter shipment will also include a universal carrying handle pre-installed onto the body tube. Make sure to thread the free end of your scooter strap through the small loop sewn into the carrying handle. This will keep your straps in place and make it easier to buckle down your scooter in the future. Once you've finished all that, your straps are now installed. Finally, put the nose of the scooter on and attach the strap over the top of it. Your scooter is now fully unboxed and assembled. Make sure to reuse or recycle all packing materials. And from all of us at Xtras, happy diving.